Galaxy S23 Ultra camera samples appear compared to S22 Ultra and Pixel 7 Pro. Leakstar IC Universe has access to a Samsung Galaxy S23 camera or at least camera samples from one. The Leakstar previously shared a comparison against the current S22 Ultra, but it was hard to make heads or tails on the image. Now the cat has posted 3 images roping the Pixel 7 Pro into the fight. The images are once again crops from the full photo, but at least this time the subject is more recognizable, a pumpkin. Here are 3 images showing the Galaxy S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra and Pixel 7 Pro. The image processing in the left image is clearly in the Samsung style with the more saturated colors. However, the texture of the pumpkin is sharper than the 2022 Galaxy flagship managed and also tops Google's offering. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel image sensor and it will have 3 shooting modes: 12 megapixel default, 50 megapixel and the full 200 megapixel. The exact resolutions according to IC Universe are 4000 by 3000 pixel, 8160 by 6120 and 16320 by 12240. Note that 16:1 binning of a 200 megapixel sensor should result in a 12.5 megapixel image. However, Samsung seems to be cropping off half a megapixel to reach an even 12 megapixel. The effect on the field of view should be minimal. Also, the 200 megapixel sensor will be basically the same size as that of the S22 Ultra, but will be behind a slightly brighter aperture f1.7 versus f1.8. IC Universe has been praising the S23 Ultra's performance in the dark but is yet to share photos. The usual warnings apply. The Galaxy S23 series is months away, so the Samsung team working on it still has months to tweak the camera. The image above may not be representative of the final result.